bought in the pub, decided all parts buying will be done online after the pub and see what turns up. Hopefully lots of shiny bits. Fuel filler neck and the breather bit thing, all painted, all lovely and shiny, drive shafts painted. Think they hold the diff together, painted. Prop shaft all stripped, just needs painting. What else? Oh, look at my body repair. Oh, that's not very good. Yes, just a wee bit of filler required, just a tiny bit. See, the rear back brake plates are a wee bit rusty. It's all the back end bits. Now I need to order new back plates, but there's two different sizes. I think it's 290 diameter or 260 mil, something like that. And the back plates are about 90 quid a piece. So that could have been an expensive mistake. I was just about to push the button and buy some, and then realized you have to measure these things. What have you got? What have you got? Oi, oi. Rear differential, all the oil drained, so I can get it cleaned and painted. I'm not going to strip it out because the bearings and everything feel okay. There's so many bits. Oh look, there's a lovely MG. Whee! ABS light was on when it came in, so as I'm doing this I'm just going to replace all the ABS sensors. On the rears, the part number is handy that it's on the actual cable. So you follow the cable up where it goes into the car on the boot floor. Look, there's the part number. Again, they're quite expensive. I've searched high and low and I've found some on eBay brand new, about 50 quid a piece. Everywhere else was near 150 quid a piece. So I'll get them ordered and fingers crossed they work. That's the diff all cleaned up, ready to be painted. Had it in the aqua blaster. Had it in the aqua blaster, bunged up all the holes, but I'll take the back off just to make sure no media's got into it. Because if it's any got in, it'll last about 4 seconds. But I'll probably take the back off, steam clean it out thoroughly, put it back together and paint it. I used to do a lot of engines, full engines, if the customer bunged up all the holes. But you just end up getting sued for a new engine doing that. Don't ask me how I know this. Quick clean up of the brake discs in the aqua blasting machine. They look alright. Why spend money when you don't have to? I always see what they drive like. If they're warped, obviously I replace them, but 5 minutes to clean them up. Quick coat of galvanized paint to stop them rusting. And luckily, there was a brand new pair of front brake discs in the boot of the car. So happy days on that one. What do you reckon, Dolly? What's up? You got fleas? Getting ready to do my wrapper with the coloured tint. But first I need to clean the gun, because it hasn't been cleaned in at least 100 years, maybe? Yuck. Raptor, shake it up. Open it. Wet the neck. Open it up, give the paint a shake. Shut it in. Oops. Messy. Should have my gloves on. Bit of hard now. Try this one. That's odd, that one was opened. Anyway. Hard now. Stick the top back on. Chicken looks good. Here we go. Paint's mixed in, hardness mixed in. Well, that went remarkably well. Should maybe wear a mask. Sorry about that. I have a feeling with the body kit, because it sticks out from the arch, these lovely new arch I'm going to have to cut out. It's going to come out about there. So when the wheel comes out to meet that, this is going to be in the way. But we'll face that when the body kit gets here. Anyway, look at that lovely blue. I think I'm going to need a lot more of this. Look at that. Blue. Lovely and blue. I'll mix the next one, do the other side wheel arch, and then I'll have to order some more. But no, chuffed to bits with that. I've got the air pressure turned down at the regulator down to about 60 psi, I think. And you just run the gun flat out and it's not splattering and clouding up everywhere. I've got hardly any on me. Bit on the camera, like. Don't know. How exciting. Lots of stuff arriving. Ordered after the pub, as promised. I'm not really sure what's in here. Yeah, suspension arm. Look at those. Wow. Trailing arms. Lateral arms. Excellent. And a sticker from my good friend Ian at Import Car Parts. I presume he's still running it. Last time I saw him was about 20 years ago. He's got a place over Darlington. Stood Import Car Parts for as long as I can remember. So let's get these fitted. Quick run through what's going on. Back end stripped out, as you know. All the little bits and pieces and brackets and stuff and the diff carrier and everything all cleaned up in the aqua blasting machine. Down to Andrews to get powder coated. I'll take it down there sometime when they're ready. A bunch of new parts ordered. Suspension arms, rear wheel bearings, rear back plates, ABS sensors, handbrake cables. Budget gone out the window, but who cares? Let's have this thing brand new. So just waiting for all the bits and pieces to come back or arrive, then I can put it together. Painted this with Raptor. It's really good. It's not going to flex in it, so it should stop all the stone chips underneath. I've just had enough to do under the arches and a little bit of the sills. I'm basically I've ordered some more, and I'm going to go kind of halfway up the car with it, put all the back end together, then I'll dismantle the front, go through the same procedure, strip it down, get the subframes away, get them powder coated, paint the rest of the underneath, put the engine and gearbox back in, put new clutch on, new cam bell, oil filter, blah blah blah. Sort the brakes out. It's been sitting a while, so they're a bit seized, so I'll probably have to strip the calipers down. But it's going at a pace. Quite pleased with the progress. Cobwebs. Pleased with the progress so far. Watch this space.
Like and subscribe. Please help this channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you.